DEWALT XR DCF922. This is a bare tool, impact. 406 Newton meters, but it has over 600 Newton meters breakaway torque. Half-inch chuck, 13mm, for bolts and also screws. We have the tool. Your DEWALT 3 years manufacturer's warranty if you register the tool online, and basic manual if anybody ever reads them. One belt clip. Here we have the tool. I was a bit disappointed when I noticed that, because I thought that was I thought with that you could actually push a screwdriver attachment in and use it as a screwdriver as well as an impact, but apparently you've got to buy an adapter to go on there, so that's something I'm going to have to get, but not a problem. Simply just screw the belt loop in. I'm still testing these batteries I had sent to me. They seem pretty good. There'll be a link in the description up there if you want to check out the video on them. I do have genuine DEWALT batteries, but like I said, I'm still testing these. Seem to work okay. That button over there adjusts the light, so it's brighter, off, on, super bright. Then we have our mode 2, the most powerfulest. You have bolts, screw, speed 1, speed 2. Also, if you have it on undo and have it on bolt, see how it stops? That's for when you're breaking away nuts, like if you was a scaffolder, it'll break away the nut from the bracket, and then it will slow down and undo it slowly so you don't end up dropping stuff from height. Only works in reverse on the tool, because if you hit forward, tool works as normal. But in all honesty, we'll probably just leave mine in 2 and do everything manually. Half-inch sockets, just snap on. Like I said, it has over 600 Newton meters of breakaway torque and 405 Newton meters of tightening torque. So we will give it a full test now and see how it gets on. I bought this DEWALT adapter off Amazon, so you can use screwdriver attachments, and it just fits on. It's a bit wobbly, but when you put in screws in, it's perfectly fine. Put it on screwdriver setting, 100mm screw. Absolutely no problem. So not only have you got your impact wrench, you've now got an impact screwdriver. This tool has a tremendous amount of torque. It is actually hammering in these concrete screws without any problem. Absolutely no problem. It is more than powerful enough for simple car wheels like on my car. Just be careful you don't overdo it, otherwise you could damage the wheel or the hub. Setting 1 is ample just for car wheel nuts. You don't want to over tighten things. Absolutely no problem. Please leave a like if you liked the video, and please subscribe to help the channel grow. Hopefully I will catch you on the next one.